How much would you pay for using ChatGPT? Yes, I'm asking because it seems a pro version is coming, and I'm talking about a paid version of ChatGPT. Some days ago, on the Twitter account of Greg Brockman, CEO and co-founder of ChatGPT and OpenAI, this message appeared. Working on a professional version of ChatGPT will offer higher limits and faster performance. If interested, please join our waiting list here. Now, I want to open this debate because I want you to write here below this video in the comments if you will pay for ChatGPT and how much would you pay? I'm really curious. I highly suggest you to go here on Twitter, search for Greg Brockman, click on this Google document because here you can compile this questionnaire and enter in the waiting list. As you can see, they are asking some questions, for example, email address, what's your country, how do you use ChatGPT, and then you need to answer some questions, for example, describe the most valuable thing you use it for. At what price would you consider ChatGPT to be so expensive that you would not consider buying it? At what price would you consider ChatGPT to be priced so low that you would feel the quality couldn't be very good? At what price would you consider ChatGPT starting to get expensive so that is not out of the question, but you will have to give some thought to buy it? And then at what price would you consider ChatGPT to be a bargain, a great buy for the money? And then here, how upset would you be if you could no longer use ChatGPT with a vote from 1 to 5? Then you need to submit this form and you will enter in the wait list. But I want you to write here in the comment how much will you pay for ChatGPT, because if you use it for professional use, I think it's correct to pay something as you do with other AI writing tools. But what do you have with the Pro version? You will have an always available ChatGPT, fast responses from ChatGPT, and as many messages as you need, at least 2 times regular daily limit. And this is why I think a free version maybe will remain, but with some limits, maybe the same limits that we see today, so with servers sometimes down, with slow output generation and so on. And maybe with some strict limits from how many words you can write every day. And then this Pro version. We will see what happens. I think this Pro version is confirmed, so it's just a matter of time. Again, let me know in the comments what do you think and if you will pay for the Pro version of ChatGPT. And why not? Click on the like button for this video, subscribe to my channel so you will not lose many videos like this, talking about other AI, SEO, affiliate and digital tools, as I do on my channel since more than 1 year now. Thank you very much for being here and see you soon with another video here on Digital Toolcase.